Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna to tell you a nice story about the king and the sparrow, the king and the bird. البلبل والملك. البلبل والملك. البلبل means sparrow or a bird, where الملك means the king. Through this story we are going to learn new words in the Arabic language. Follow me and let's start. Don't forget to put like. جاء الليل ونام الجميع. The night came and all the people slept. وأطفأ الحراس أنوار القصر. And the guards turned off the lights of the palace. Again, جاء الليل ونام الجميع وأطفأ الحراس أنوار القصر. وظل الملك مستيقظا, and the king kept awake. سألته زوجته, his wife asked him, لماذا لم تنم يا سيد الملك? Why didn't you sleep, my lord, my king? Why didn't you sleep, my king? لماذا لم تنم يا سيد الملك? قال الملك, the king said, أشعر بأرق شديد. I feel severe insomnia. I feel severe insomnia. أشعر بأرق شديد. أرق means insomnia. شديد means severe or very. أشعر means I feel. ولا أستطيع النوم, and I can't sleep. وقف الملك مع زوجته في شرفة القصر الكبير. The king stood with his wife in the balcony of the big palace. وقف الملك, the king stood. وقف means stood. الملك means the king. مع زوجته, with his wife. في شرفة القصر الكبير, in the palace. شرفة means balcony, in the balcony. شرفة means balcony. القصر الكبير, the big palace. وفي means in. Again, وقف الملك مع زوجته في شرفة القصر الكبير. وهناك سمع صوتا عذبا. And there, هناك, he heard, سمع, he heard a sweet voice. Voice, صوتا, عذبا, sweet, سمع صوتا عذبا. Come from, يأتي من, فوق الأشجار, above the trees. Above the trees, فوق الأشجار. قال الملك, the king said, ما أروع هذا الصوت. ما أروع هذا الصوت. What a wonderful voice. لم أسمع أجمل منه. لم أسمع أجمل منه. I have never heard a more beautiful than this voice. ما هذا الصوت. What is this voice? What is this sound? قالت الملكة, the queen said. قالت الملكة, the queen said. هذا صوت البلبل يا سيدي. This voice or this sound is the sparrow's voice or the sparrow's sound. هذا صوت, صوت means voice. هذا means this. This voice, this is the sparrow's voice. صوت البلبل يا سيدي, my lord, my king, my master. قال الملك للحراس. The king told the guards. قال means told. الملك means the king. للحراس means the guards. قال الملك للحراس أحضروا البلبل. Get or fetch the sparrow. He said, the king told the guards to fetch or to bring the sparrow, the bird. أحضروا البلبل. Fetch the sparrow. ليغني في مجلسي كل مساء. Get the bird to sing. ليغني to sing in my assembly. ليغني في مجلسي كل مساء every night. كل مساء every night. كل مساء every night. and في الصباح in the morning أحضر الحراس البلبل. The guards brought the sparrow. وبنوا له قفص من ذهب. And they built a cage of gold. بنوا له means they built for him. له means for it. بنوا they built. له for it. A cage means قفص من ذهب. قفص من ذهب. A cage of gold. then ثم وضعوا فيه شرائح التفاح. They put وضعوا in the cage slices of apples. شرائح means slices of apples. وقطع البرتقال and pieces of oranges. قطع means pieces. برتقالي means oranges. والكمثرى and peaches. دعا الملك الضيوف. The king invited his guests. The king invited the guests. الملك دعا means invited. الضيوف means guests. دعا الملك الضيوف من كل مكان. From everywhere. From من every كل where مكان. From everywhere. From every place. ليسمعوا to hear. ليسمعوا صوت البلبل. To hear the sound or the voice of the sparrow. صوت البلبل الجميل. To hear the sound of the sparrow or to hear the voice of the beautiful sparrow. صوت البلبل الجميل. دهش الضيوف وتحير الملك. The guests were astonished. دهش الضيوف means the guests were astonished. وتحير الملك and the king became confused. تحير means became confused. لأن البلبل لا يغني because the sparrow didn't sing. لا يغني because لأن البلبل the sparrow doesn't sing. لا يغني لأن البلبل لا يغني because the sparrow doesn't sing. ولكنه but it يصدر صوتا حزينا كالبكاء. يصدر means release a sad voice such or like crying. كالبكاء. قام حكيم المملكة and the wise man of the kingdom. المملكة means the kingdom وحكيم means wise. The wise of the kingdom said قال هل تريدون سماع غناء البلبل? Do you want to hear the singing of the sparrow? هل تريدون do you want سماع to hear غناء the singing of the sparrow غناء البلبل. قال الجميع في صوت واحد. All the people said in one voice. صوت واحد one voice. نعم yes. قال الجميع في صوت واحد نعم. They said yes. فتح الحكيم باب القفص. The wise man opened the door of the cage. فانطلق البلبل إلى الأشجار والنخيل. The sparrow flew, set off to the trees and the palm trees. انطلق set off, it was set free. The bulbul, the sparrow, to the trees الأشجار والنخيل the palm trees. وأخذ يغني and he began to sing. وأخذ يغني بأعزب الأصوات. وأخذ يغني بأعزب الأصوات. He began to sing in the sweetest voice. قال الملك, the king said, ما أجمل الحرية. What a beautiful freedom. ما أجمل الحرية. What a beautiful freedom. We've finished our story. We can learn from this story that freedom is a precious thing. الحرية شيء ثمين. If you liked my story, don't forget to hit like. Goodbye. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.